Great. 2010 Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to the world's strongest and most conductive material, graphene. Every engineer got excited about the opportunities that this material can bring, including myself. 2017, I was lucky enough to have a breakthrough at one of the Nordic's leading universities, Uppsala University, to solve the mystery of that material and to enable the industrialization and to bring it at scale for different industrial sectors. So I'm excited here to present leading-edge materials technologies and how we can enable the green energy transition by those materials. We all know that in order to scale up green energies like hydrogen and batteries, materials are really key and they are critical. So we have to do this in a smart way. If we want to build a lot of gigafactories of batteries, but we are still dependent on overseas supply chains from mines in China or in Africa, that won't be sustainable at the end of the day. So there is a very interesting connection between a graphene and table salt. You need to add a little of the salt to make the pasta to taste much better. The same as graphene. You need just to add a little of a graphene to other materials to make them awesome, more conductive and lighter weight, and then, of course, more sustainable. Of course, it's not recommended to add graphene to your food at all. So let me walk you through the journey Graphmatech has made since the spin-off from Uppsala University end of 2017. We have been very much focused on industrial applications and to work hand in hand together with customers to solve their problems and to enable, of course, doing business at the end of the day. So we succeeded in attracting investors, including ABB, Eno Energy, Almi Green Invest, Molindo Energy. Those continue to invest on us, believing in the journey we are building. So we have scaled our manufacturing capacity to a couple of tons we have today, and we are going beyond, as I will show later. So we got our IP portfolio strategically growing, protecting our business in the future. So we succeeded in getting partnerships and offtake agreements that now we are capitalizing in order to deliver for them. So here I am presenting an investment opportunity where Graphmatech is raising, let's call it late seed or early A, in order to deliver for the commitments we have and in order to enable the next phase of growth. So we are targeting 10 millions. We already signed 2.2 million euros, mainly from the current investors. We have a potential syndicate in place. We are looking for lead or co-lead to join that journey. So two cases I want to highlight. The first one is in batteries. So Graphmatech developed a technology where we engineer battery materials with graphene to make them much better for the future batteries. I don't need to convince you that this is large and it's growing. So have you ever seen graphene in reality? So the thin layers you can see there, they are nano-engineered particles with graphene in order to push the boundaries of the battery technologies available today. So we could double the lifetime of batteries and, of course, transfer certain technologies like sodium to be competing with lithium, both in performance and in price. So we already secured a strategic partnership in place. So one of them is in sodium, the other one is in lithium. It's under NDA, but I think it's well known for everyone here. So the other application here is hydrogen. Did you know that hydrogen is the universe's smallest molecule? It's really wild. It leaks through everything, and when it leaks, it's very bad. It's bad financially because it's a waste of resource, and it's bad for the environment. Did you know that hydrogen global warming potential is 11 times worse than carbon dioxide when it leaks out to the atmosphere? So Graphmatech has developed a technology based on graphene to reduce the leakage of hydrogen by 41% by including graphene in plastics and use this for lining, for example, the pipelines and pressure vessels. By doing this, we could save a lot of cash and save the environment as well. So here is our product. It's plug and play in the existing industrial processes. It goes for both pipelines as lining or making new lines. and it goes for pressure vessels. A couple of months after the launch of product, we got a global interest where we signed interesting contracts, partnerships, and we got backlog that we are now quite busy in delivering for. Not only in Europe, but also in the North America and in the Middle East. So, of course, technology doesn't fly by itself. We have secured an interesting team and board of directors engaged in helping us in going for this journey. So I invite here you to join us in building the unicorn to be, and it's called the hexagon, where the opportunities will be limitless, where graphene can make a difference. Thank you.